This is a video tour for 1031 West 19th Street, unit number 2 in the Pilsen neighborhood of Chicago. This is a 4-unit building. As you approach the building, you can see on the left there are door buzzers as well as an Amazon key sticker, which means that Amazon can buzz themselves into the lobby to leave packages. US Mail also buzzes themselves in to get to the mailboxes, which are here on the left. This is a second floor unit, so we'll go up the stairs to the second floor. As you enter the unit, there is a ceiling fan in the living room. You've got large windows letting in lots of light. And you can see there's a door buzzer, so you can buzz someone in the front door. So nice high ceilings, granite countertops, tiled backsplash, all stainless steel appliances with that island to pull up stools to. And the first door here is your washer dryer. And the second door, you can see the furnace and hot water heater. Again, this is all for your unit. And then there's the bathroom with double sinks. So you've got your shower tub and 2 sinks with a large mirror. And walking down the hall, there are 3 bedrooms, all identical. They all have a ceiling fan and a window and a large closet with mirrored sliding doors. And going back in the hallway to the second bedroom, which you can see is identical to the first. And the last bedroom. And this unit does have central heat, central air. And it also has a very large back deck. So you can see how nice and large that is. And then there may or may not be parking available depending on the other tenants. So here's the parking pad and the alley behind the property. And there's the back of the building. Thanks for watching this video tour for 1031 West 19th, unit number 2.